Hello everyone, I'm gonna review the CS50 project with the name Commerce. Here's my brand new website. First of all, I'm gonna show you the models.py file. I have here a couple models like an user, bid, category, listing, and a comment as well. So on the active listings, on each listing we can see a title, like image, content, and the price. So for example, I'm gonna show you the creating listing. I already logged in by the admin. I'm gonna provide some title. I'm gonna grab some content as well. Here we can copy your URL of the page and gonna place price for this listing like at $20. Gonna select a books category and add page. So here's my new listing created by the admin. So here's the title, picture, the content. We can add it to my watch list. For example, here we have it. Also, we can remove it from there. Now we don't have it there, so I'm gonna find again. I'm gonna add for now. So if I'm the one who has created the listing, I can see the button here, like a close the action list. Also, we have a section here with the comments. I'm gonna type something like hello world. And here we have a new section with the comments. We also have a creator and the date was created. We have here details, like the creator, the category, the date it was created, this listing, and the last, like some updates, some last updates. So I'm gonna show you an example with the bids. So now the current price is 20. I'm gonna log out. Log in by someone with the name Natalie, for example. I'm gonna find this listing. I'm gonna show you an error. If I'm gonna place something like a 19, place a bid, and I'm gonna see an error that price was to be higher or at least same. So I'm gonna place something like a 25, and the bid updates successfully. So I'm gonna add it to my watch list. And gonna log out, login again by the admin. Then, for example, like for me, price is fine. I want to close the action list. And now we don't have it here, so I'm gonna log out, login again by the Natalie. And if I'm lucky, I'm gonna see a message that I'm the one who won the bid. So I can't find it here anymore, but in a watch list, I'm gonna see a message that I'm the one who won. And also here we have here a picture, content, and also the final price. It was sold for like $25. Also have categories like cars, books, toys, and a couple more. Also gonna show you the admin page. I'm gonna log in by the admin. Now we can actually change almost everything. We have here bids, the categories, the names provided, the comments. We can see the listing with a lot of information like a name, price, time created, published or not. Photo URL also is here. We can sort it by the published or not, or we can sort it by the date. And also we have here users. So thank you for watching.